In the heart of the 20th century, a shadow fell across Eastern Europe, a region gripped by the iron fist of communist rule. The people, once free, now found themselves under the oppressive regime of the Soviet Union, their dreams of democracy and prosperity snuffed out like embers in the cold winds of the Cold War. The year was 1989. The world was on the brink of change, and Eastern Europe was at the epicenter. The people, long suppressed, began to stir. They yearned for a life free from the shackles of communism, a yearning that would soon resonate across the continent. In Poland, Lech Walesa, a shipyard worker turned union leader, stood as a beacon of hope. His solidarity movement, a symbol of resistance, rallied the Polish people, demanding change. The government, fearing the tide, reluctantly agreed to reforms, a concession that would soon ripple across the region. In Romania, a different story unfolded. Nicolae Ceausescu, the country's dictator, clung to power, refusing to budge. The people, fed up with his reign of terror, took to the streets in mass demonstrations. The Romanian Revolution began, and the end of Ceausescu's rule was imminent. Meanwhile, in Germany, the Berlin Wall, a symbol of division and oppression, stood tall. But the winds of change were blowing. On November 9, 1989, the unthinkable happened. The East German government announced that its citizens could travel to the West. Thousands rushed across the border, tearing down the wall brick by brick. In Czechoslovakia, the Velvet Revolution swept away communism, bringing Václav Havel to power. Hungary followed suit, with Miklos Nagy's government making way for democracy. The dominoes continued to fall, one after another, as the people of Eastern Europe demanded their freedom. The fall of communism was not a swift or easy process. It was a struggle, a battle for the soul of a region. But the people of Eastern Europe persevered, their determination unwavering. They fought for their freedom, and in doing so, they reclaimed their lives, their dreams, and their future. The fall of communism in Eastern Europe was a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. It was a reminder that even in the darkest of times, hope can prevail. And it was a promise of a new era, an era of freedom, democracy, and prosperity. The people of Eastern Europe had triumphed. They had stood against tyranny and won. Their victory echoed across the globe, serving as a beacon of hope for those still living under oppressive regimes. The fall of communism in Eastern Europe was not just a victory for the region, but for the world. It was a step towards a brighter future, a future filled with the promise of freedom and the embrace of democracy.